Well, I thought I was done for the day, but then I remembered I want to put some shelves in my little tech space here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I want to use these. I have no idea how we call these in English. I have no idea how I call them in my language either. These little pins that you can use for shelves, you know, to sort of like make them temporary. If like the landlord wants them out, you can just pull the shelves out, pull the pin out, and it's like they haven't even been there. Okay, so 1 centimeter above these. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. That's what she said. About there. Just to make sure it's not too much. It should be alright. First hole. Just make sure you keep the drill as perpendicular as you can when doing this to get the right distance you need. I'm a bit worried that the hole would be too large for the pin. Yeah, it's a bit... there's nothing I can really do. It should be alright though. I just need the boards to like stand on top of them, and if it's just like a fraction of a millimeter, all I care about is just not falling off. If it just stays in there, should be fine. Oh dang it, I don't have it on the left side. I already have some shelves in here, so there are some screws on this side, and I can know exactly where the level is, and if I just go like a centimeter above each hole, that will be level for my shelves too. But I need to do that on the other side as well, on the right side. Oh, this is really tricky. Yep, that works. That works too. That's a centimeter. And a centimeter here. So I guess what I'll do is just drill the holes on the left side and then put the shelves and use either a level or a ball. I'm not very sure if I have a ball. Maybe this magnet, this speaker magnet, that is round, so I can see if it rolls back and forth. Drilling time. That should do it. And I need 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 5. That one fits in quite nicely. This one too. I guess it depends on how much damage the drill actually does to the wood. Or maybe these are slightly different widths, different sizes. And now, I think, therefore I am, had a bunch of shelves custom made at one of our local hardware stores. That is a thing you could do. I think I really need to get my marker and the magnet. Where's the magnet? I have one of those spongy stress balls. Not very sure where that is at the time being. And just place it on those pins. And if I'm right, just see if this one rolls. It doesn't really look straight. And now maybe the whole thing is tilted. Should I just use my vision? Just eyeball it. Oh man. Or should I just measure? I really don't like measuring stuff. I'll just get a measuring tape. This is the smartest thing yet. Then see how much I have on this side. This is really not a single person thing. That's on the floor. And this is where I can use the magnet. Just hang on to the measuring tape and just check how much I have on this side. It's about 31.2 centimeters. And this one needs to be the same, obviously. .2. So that is going to be level. The pins won't be on equal horizontal distances because it makes no sense other than just purely aesthetical. You just need them to be as far as you can, as close as you can to the edges, so you have more stability. So, but I'm roughly about the same place as the other ones. And I'll go a little bit lower because now I marked the edge of the shelf, and those pins have a size. So they need to be, the center of the hole needs to be a little bit lower than the level of the shelf. This is quite an event for me. Really want these in order to better organize myself. And that's the first shelf. You don't see the top one. There you go. Looks pretty straight to me. Now I only have to do the same thing twice. 2 more times. Okay, I've just finished, and this is all what it all looks like. Let's get it off the tripod. And here are the 3 shelves I mounted. It worked a treat. I have no idea how the magnet test goes for the other 2. Let's just try that now. Well, it's not that bad, is it? Plus, they all go like that. And you know why? I guess because either the whole piece of furniture is tilted or the actual floor itself. So I don't think that's an issue with my shelves because I aligned them with the original top one right there. So it's not like I did anything wrong. And you can actually see they look straight compared to the one on top, and all the angles are straight angles. Well, that's it. Now, given the fact that I've done the cat door on the door earlier, I have a whole lot of cleaning to do. As you can see, the whole house is just full of stuff, and organizing everything in the shelves. It's gonna be a fun evening. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave a like, hit the subscribe, and goodbye, folks.